I've rode bikes with Public Enemy on, Jimi Hendrix on. That's dangerous. You know it is.
All bullshit, it's time for action. Tackling tyranny with very little distraction. With elbows to the waistline, I compose mine. And thought all y'all frozen in the time for the purpose of your nostalgic nonsense. Of my superiority as an MC, I am convinced. But wisdom makes me humble in my benevolence. Like all Sharif before Khalil Sharif, I love intelligence and sense. Minor mental capacities have the audacity to put what they regurgitate up against when I innovate blasphemy. My reaction, annihilate catastrophe. The one who will check you, I has to be pay dues, so I ask a fee for valuable time utilized. So when I'm ripping your spot, don't be surprised. I energize like Starship Enterprise. Rationalize, deduct a problem solve. Revolutionize process of elimination. Evolve, calls from the other side where I'll go. When the flesh is ready, the rest not fly in this plane no more. Prototype A personalities, a lady of easy virtual realities. Cover the unconfident, semi-incompetent. Dominant beings reciprocate and are able to relate with people unalike. I'm speaking to many, that's why I grab the mic. See, I'm speaking to many, that's when I grab the mic. See, I'm speaking to many, that's why I grab the mic.
These are thoughts and feelings seeming one lone steaming pot with hot aguas. I'll burn you. Not your turn to touch this mic stand, mic in hand. We run this land from under dirt. I put in works, then collect perks. Like when one day seems somewhat perfect, cosmic. Learn it's all in sequence. Seen this first one. What went wrong? Transformed to song, then bumped in speakers, sending you tweakers to your ears. Fermenting rhyme, I'm brewing time to learn yourself. See this as helpful, mind and spirit. Music, hear it, taste it, feel it, wear it if you dare. It's warm enough to cuff your love. What's a cuff? Love of this. Love.
We call it slumping, yeah, you know, like say you riding up 101 North, and this song come on, you just have to lean over, take your wrist up over your steering wheel, and just, help you to elevate, take you out this body, be up in your mind, all up in there, elevate.